French company Parrot have been riding the Bluetooth wave since the mid-2000s, becoming especially popular in the Bluetooth hands-free car system field. The Bluetooth Zik headphones designed by Philippe Starck not only promote amazing sound quality, but also various fresh innovations. Features include noise cancelling, a built-in microphone for calls, and a brilliant addition built into the ear cup. These headphones have a sensor which plays or pauses live music when the headphones are in use or removed. These headphones carry a truly unique design, one I wouldn't describe as Apple-like at all, but refined nonetheless, with nice visual touches around every corner. Although these headphones may appear sizable compared to other on-ear headphones, I didn't find them unwieldy or heavy during use. These headphones are charged via USB and can last up to 18 hours depending on which features you have enabled. Unlike some other Bluetooth headphones, the user is able to continue listening after the battery is empty with a supplied 3.5mm audio cable. Perhaps the biggest innovation in the Zik headphones is the touch-based control system built into the ear cups. Via a series of iPhone-style gestures, the wearer is able to tap once to play, pause, or answer a call, swipe horizontally to skip tracks back and forth, or swipe vertically to change the volume. The companion app offers the user real-time manipulation over a vast array of features such as changing between preset EQs or creating your own, and checking the battery level in your headphones. You can even change the ambience of the sound by using the Parrot concert hall. Music can sound wide and huge, or central and punchy, and everywhere in between. The choice is yours. With such an amazing design and stacks of innovation, the Zik headphones are a big hit.